So guys, still celebrating the inauguration ceremony of Babajimi Benson. So now I got this young looking, beautiful, gorgeous, stunning woman with me here. Please, can we meet you?
Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Folake Junaid. I happen to be one of the iCare members of Ikorodu North, the woman leader of Ikorodu North. Yeah. We are here celebrating our one and only #1 Umu of Babajimi Benson, Babajimi Benson. Today is his inauguration of the 3rd term in federal constituency of Ikorodu. So we're celebrating him.
Okay, now what is the thing you could do? What is that thing you could do to just congratulate Babajimi Benson? Can you dance for us? Will you sing for us? What will you do?
Yes, I can. I'm so excited. Babajimi Benson, thank you for today. We appreciate you. You're having your inauguration today. We'd like to see more of you. Higher, greater height for you.
As you know it, as you've heard it, we've brought a lot of people here and they've said a lot of things about Honorable Babajimi Benson. And I got this young looking, beautiful. Introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Olatunbosun Oke, and I'm here today just for our honorable Babajimi Benson.
Okay. So what can you say about him?
Well, I know few about him, especially concerning the construction of roads. I know people like him well. I know he is really loved by many people, and few things, that I wouldn't want to say here, but I really know it's very good for Ikorodu people as a whole.
Do you stay in Ikorodu?
No, I don't stay in Ikorodu. I'm from Ikorodu.
Yeah, from Ikorodu. Wow.
Full indigenous of Ikorodu.
That's nice. That's okay. Now, so what do you think you could just tell everybody out there that's like in terms of supporting the governance and the positivity that Babajimi Benson is giving us? Like, what can you tell everybody out there rooting for him? we should keep going or we shouldn't?
Yeah, keep going, follow the truth, and be positive about everything. You don't have to believe the lies people say. Just be positive, all right? And let's be supportive in everything.